Hey guys, as part of our morning routine before the girls head off to school, we've been putting on their immunity roller. Well, it is time to refill it, so I thought I would share how you do that. Now, I can't find my little card thingy that I use to help take this off, so I'm just going to slip my fingernails underneath the edge of this roller, as you can see here, and just kind of work it a little bit, and then it should pop right off. And then we're going to do 5 drops purification. This is the kids level dilution. I have also made this recipe without purification. It works just as well. So 5 drops purification, 5 drops thieves. In my opinion, thieves is the most important part of this recipe. And thankfully it comes in the premium starter bundle. That is the best way to get your oils because you get the best price for them all. So we're going to do 3 drops of frankincense. 1, 2, 3. That comes out really fast, so be careful. We're also going to do 3 drops of lemon. 1, 2, come on, 3. Nope, that one I think hit the outside. Doesn't matter, it's okay. And then we're only going to do 1 drop of oregano. There we go. And then we're going to take our fractionated coconut oil or whatever carrier you have decided to use. And then we're just going to fill it the rest of the way. Oops, I am making a mess today. Okay, and then we push the cap back in, and then we turn it over a few times to help the oils mix together, and you're good to go. You can roll this on their spines, on the bottom of their feet, someplace that they're not going to touch, and then go touching their eyes. I do this in the morning before school. I used to do it at night before bed. Whatever fits your routine best. All right, bye.